What's going on, guys? It's that boy Rocha with Misfit Mob. First off, I'd like to say thank you to everybody that showed up to Trunk or Treat last night and showed some love. Everybody that brought their cars, their trucks. They gave out candy, all the trick-or-treaters. Huge shout out to Sonic and Green Forest for allowing us a location to do this thing, because we couldn't have done it without you guys. Also, huge shout out to all the supporters, all the followers, everybody that shared the event. Yeah, if you don't follow us on Instagram yet, give us a follow, Misfit Mob 870. And yeah, you'll get updates on upcoming events, upcoming meets. Hopefully, we're planning on Toys for Tots this year. This was our second trunk or treat, I guess second annual, because we did it last year. And yeah, so give us a follow and like, subscribe, share this video. I guess I didn't make an intro video, so this is gonna be my intro video. So yeah, a few clips of what I got last night. I'm kind of busy, but yeah, check it out.